In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask effects in your video editor. First, import your footage and place your clip on the timeline. Keep your project tidy by naming your clips and stacking only what you need. Make sure you're working with the correct clip selected so every change you make applies to the right place. Next, apply an effect that supports masking. Common choices include Gaussian blur if you want to blur a face or a license plate, Lumetri color to isolate and color correct a portion of the frame, or opacity if you want to reveal or hide specific areas. Drag the effect onto your clip on the timeline so it's ready to be shaped with a mask. With the clip still selected, open the Effect Controls panel. This is where you'll see the effect you added and all of its masking options. If you don't see it, make sure your workspace shows the controls for your selected clip. Now, choose your mask shape. You can start with an ellipse for round objects like faces, a rectangle for signs or screens, or use the pen tool for a custom shape that follows complex edges. Click the shape button, then draw directly over the program monitor. Don't worry about perfection yet, you'll refine it next. Adjust the mask so it blends naturally. Drag the points or the entire shape to move it into place, and resize it by pulling on the handles. Use feather to soften the edges. A little goes a long way to avoid harsh lines. As you refine, look closely at edges with high contrast, like text or skin against a background, and tweak the mask so it feels seamless. If your subject moves, you can animate the mask. Toggle mask path to create keyframes. Position the playhead at the start, set your first shape, then move forward in small increments and nudge the mask to follow the motion. The software will add new keyframes as you adjust. Scrub through to check your work and smooth out any jumps by refining intermediate frames. Finally, invert the mask if you want the effect to apply outside rather than inside the shape. This is perfect for blurring the background while